Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a topic that can genuinely level up your web development skills and make your projects truly stand out. We're talking about the unsung heroes of the web, lesser-known browser APIs. You've likely mastered the DOM, fetching data with the Fetch API, and maybe even dabbling with local storage. But the browser, in its incredible complexity, offers so much more. There are powerful APIs built right in that can solve complex problems elegantly, boost performance, and create truly unique user experiences, often without needing heavy external libraries. These are the tools that are often overlooked, but once you discover them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So let's unlock some of these hidden gems. First up, we have the Intersection Observer API. If you've ever built infinite scrolling, lazy loading images, or needed to detect when an element enters or exits the viewport, you've probably used scroll event listeners. But they're inefficient, especially on mobile. The Intersection Observer API provides a way to asynchronously observe changes in the intersection of a target element with an ancestor element or with the top-level document's viewport. It's built for performance, firing callbacks only when necessary. It's perfect for lazy loading images and videos, animating elements as they scroll into view, or even implementing read more features when a user reaches the end of an article. It's a huge performance win. Next, let's talk about the Page Visibility API. Have you ever wished your web application could know when a user switches tabs, minimizes their browser, or even just locks their screen? That's exactly what this API lets you do. The Page Visibility API tells you whether a page is currently in the foreground or background, and if the user is actively viewing it. This is incredibly useful for optimizing resource usage. You can use it to pause videos, stop unnecessary network requests, or halt animations when a user isn't looking, saving battery life and CPU cycles. It's a subtle but powerful enhancement to user experience. Moving on to something that drastically improves mobile user experience, the Web Share API. Instead of building your own clunky share buttons that open new tabs, this API lets you leverage the native sharing capabilities of the user's device. With a single line of code, you can trigger the device's native share sheet, allowing users to share content via their preferred apps like WhatsApp, email, social media, or even save to notes. It's fast, familiar, and respects user privacy. It's supported across most modern browsers on mobile devices. Just make sure you're serving your site over HTTPS. It's a fantastic way to streamline sharing and boost engagement. Finally, for a really unique optimization, the Battery Status API. This API gives you insight into the user's device battery level and charging status. Why is this useful for a web app? Imagine your web application being able to intelligently reduce its resource consumption when the user's battery is low, or only perform heavy background tasks when the device is charging. This is next-level user experience and energy efficiency. It's about creating a more considerate and energy-aware web experience. While it has some privacy considerations and limited browser support, check canuse.com. Where it is supported, it offers a powerful way to build more responsible web applications. And there you have it, 4 unsung heroes of web development. The Intersection Observer for performance, Page Visibility for resource management, Web Share for native sharing, and the Battery Status API for thoughtful optimization. The web platform is constantly evolving, and there are always new and unique APIs waiting to be discovered. Don't be afraid to dig into the MDN web docs and experiment. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with a fellow developer, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss our weekly deep dives into unique web development topics. What's your favorite underrated API? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.